Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a discount code onto your Shopify store. First, all you're going to do is to go here onto the discount section onto the left side panel and click on create discount. Now we can choose an amount of products, budget X get Y, amount of orders, or just simply go on a free shipping as a discount type. For example, I'm going to choose our amount of products, like I want them to purchase a minimum amount. Now here, you can add a specific discount code, like for example, we're going to type here on hashtag AS21. Now this is a discount code. You can also click on generate random code, wherein you need to copy this, enable for you to give them a discount. Here is the type of discount, like amount of products, product discount, like details. You can also add a discount value, like percentage or a fixed amount. Like for example, I'm going to type here a 100 discount. You can apply this to a specific products, like specific products, enter the products that you want directly onto your product store. And then you can just only apply it like once per order, or you can unbox that. Now you can also modify the eligibility, like for all customers, specific customer segments, or specific customers only. You can also add a minimum purchase requirements and a minimum discount uses. You can also add a combinations and active details or active dates. You can add a start date for the discounts. Like for example, you are pre-selling a specific product. You can modify this start date and add a start time and set an end date. And then after entering all of those informations for your discount code, select here on save discount onto the bottom right corner. It'll automatically be applied onto your specific product that you have chosen here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.